Good morning, everyone. My name is Kevin Jeniston. I am excited to present my work on addressing challenges in Tamil. Uh, the Tamil language is rich and historic, but its integration into modern technology presents unique challenges through this value-added growth. I identified three key issues. First one, the lack of standardized Tamil fonts across platforms and devices, which hampers readability. Secondly, insufficient development of Tamil-based NLP tools such as spell checkers, grammar checkers, and translation system. Thirdly, limited integration of Tamil into mainstream software applications. To address these challenges, I propose bridging the gap in Tamil NLP tools, making them accessible to Tamil speakers globally. This involves creating text to speech systems, Tamil keyboards, and integrating Tamil into software and AI applications. Understanding the nonsense of Tamil computing and supporting diverse dialects are central to this solution. Target users include students, professionals, and content creators. The ultimate goal is to enhance accessibility and preserve the Tamil language in digital era. Personally, I am deeply passionate about Tamil language preservation and motivated to bring Tamil computing into global spotlight. With my programming background and experience in emerging tools, I aim to contribute this growing field which also aligns with the increasing demand for language technology. Thank you for your attention and I would be happy to answer any question you may have. Feel free to